Hi everybody, this is Magesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. So in this video, we are going to see the engineering surveys and construction of new line. For any railway project or any highway project, before commencing, we have to do the engineering surveys. That is most important. So introduction. Any construction of a new railway line is a capital intensive project, and each kilometer of a new railway line costs in the range of 6 to 10 million depending upon the topography of the area, the standard of construction and other features. So there is a lot of thought should be given when making a final decision as to whether a new railway line is at all necessary or not from Indian Railway Department. So what are the needs for construction of a new railway line? So there are basically 5 reasons. The first one is strategic reason. So it is sometimes necessary to extend the existing railway line to a new point of strategic importance so that the defense forces can move quickly to some areas in case of any emergency. So next one is political reasons. A new line sometimes becomes necessary to serve the political needs of the country. For example, the railway line from Pathankot to Jammu. The next one, development of backward areas. So due to the new railway lines, the backward areas may be getting developed. So experience has shown that once railway communication is available, backward areas develop very fast. For example, the Assam railway link. Next one, to connect new trade centers. Sometimes new trade centers are connected with railway lines for the quick transportation of goods between two trade centers or from the point of production to the point of consumption. The next need is to shorten the existing rail link. The existing routes between two important points may be longer than required. So the new railway lines are constructed on a shorter alignment in such cases. A short route is not only economical but also helps in the faster movement of goods and passengers. Example, the Konkan Railway. So these are the need for a new railway line. So before going to construct a new line, we have to study some type of surveys. They are traffic survey, reconnaissance survey, preliminary survey and final location survey. So in traffic survey, we have to study the most promising route for the railway in the area, possible traffic the railway line will carry and standard of railway line to be followed. So these are the details we have to collect and study from the traffic survey. So in this survey, we have to collect the details of the human resources available, agricultural and mineral resources, pattern of trade and commerce, industries located and projected, prospects of tourist traffic, existing transport facilities, locations of important government and private offices, planning for economic development of the area of the proposed construction of a line. So the traffic survey team should make an assessment of the traffic likely to be carried by to the new line. While carrying out the survey, details of traffic likely to be offered by various government organizations, public bodies or private enterprises should be gathered. So next, reconnaissance survey. This survey consists of a rapid and rough investigation of the area with a view to determine the technical feasibility of the proposal as well as the rough cost of one or more alternatives to the new line. So this survey is based on contoured survey map and other data already available without carrying out detailed investigation in the field. So the survey is studied with the help of some surveying instruments. They are the prismatic compass, aneroid barometer, Abney level, binocular, pedometer. So by using this instrument, we have to make the reconnaissance survey. After that, the preliminary survey should be carried out. In this survey, it consists of a detailed instrumental examination of the route to be selected as a result of the reconnaissance survey in order to estimate the cost of the proposed railway line. So based on the preliminary and traffic survey report, the railway administration decides whether or not the proposed railway line is to be constructed. So the preliminary survey is the most important. So based on the survey reports only, the line should be proposed or not. That will be considered by the railway administration. So for this survey, we are using some instruments. They are theodolite, tachymeter, dumpy level, plane table, prismatic compass. And finally, final location survey. So in this, once a decision has been taken for a particular railway line to be constructed, a final location survey is done. The instruments used are generally the same as in the case of the preliminary survey. So final location survey is done to prepare working details and make accurate cost estimate in certain cases. So based on the survey and some prepared map, the railway line should be constructed. Thank you.